Excel's data analysis tool pack is a handy way to analyze data. It normally doesn't come installed with Excel, but you can add it. Go to the Data tab and look for Data Analysis. If you don't see that on your ribbon, to add it, go to File, Options, Add-ins. At the bottom, select Excel Add-ins. Tap Go. Click Analysis Tool Pack. Click OK. And now note that we have an analysis group and we have a data analysis command. Let's tap it. And here are some options. Let's select Descriptive Statistics. We'll click OK. Input range, that's the numbers that we want to perform statistics on. So we'll click once in here. And over here on the input range, we can left click, hold and drag to select all the numbers. And this is the output. We can tell it where to go on the same sheet. We can tell it to go to a new worksheet, or we can tell it to go to a new workbook. Let's go ahead and tell it to go to a new worksheet. And we could choose summary statistics. And let's just choose all of this. We'll tell it the confidence level for the mean, and we'll look at the largest and the smallest. And let's click OK. And here's our new sheet. Notice it's sheet 2. And I'm going to tap up here on the A column to make it a little bigger. And note all the information. Now we could do this individually with Excel formulas, but note all the information that we get at once using descriptive statistics. The mean, the standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, etc. For more training videos, follow us on Facebook and Twitter.